Welcome to Aalayam by Veerapaneni Infra Projects. In this video, we'll take you through our construction progress from September 19th to October 18th, 2024. Starting on September 19th, we initiated base preparations with JCB work for gravel filling, which continued through September 20th. The plinth beam phase began shortly after, from September 21st to October 2nd, covering essential tasks like marking, dust laying, rod bending, centering, and pouring concrete. This stage was completed by October 2nd. Following this, we leveled the gravel, and on October 4th, started concrete work on the columns, raising them to a height of 8 feet. By October 11th, walls were built on the west, south, and east sides, alongside the columns and brickwork. The final phase, from October 12th to October 18th, involved curing the compound wall, columns, and gravel layer. Thank you for joining us on this journey as we build Aalayam.